It's off, Joseph. No. Which button is it? The feature.
So if we have a vector and we dot the vector with another vector, we're going to get the x components multiplied, the y components multiplied, and the z components multiplied, and then you add all of those together and you'll get a number. A scalar. That's why it's called a scalar product as well as a dot product.
Whoa.
Okay, you can also use the scalar, the scalar product to find something else.
Oh, the angle between them.
Ah, the angle between them. Okay, so, yep. What is the magnitude of a vector? Yep, so the magnitude is given by those absolute signs.
No.
And then we square each of the components and add them all together, do the square root of that to get the magnitude. And so perpendicular means what?
90
degrees.
90 degrees. So cos 90 degrees is 0, okay? So the dot product should equal 0 if they're perpendicular. Distance is a scalar.
Oh, yeah.
Displacement is a vector.
Speed is
Velocity is a
vector.
speed.
Is a drug.
Scalar. Alright, did you find it?
Wait, I'm copying this down.
The magnitude of the displacement gives us this distance.
Right, it is mine.
I didn't hesitate.
Alright, let's do it in surds.
Oh, sorry.
700 and
It's 27.495.
in surds, I'll say it no mil time. What do we put at the end?
Meters. Units.
Okay?
Route 21 Braden.
Why is it raining?
Braden.
Okay, so there's two ways you can do this next bit. So it wants us to find the average velocity. Alright, the change in velocity divided by 2, or the change in r divided by the change in t. Okay? Yeah. Let's start with the change in r, because we've already got one of them.
Wait, so is all displacement or? Yeah.
Yep, and we've got, we're looking for average velocity, not speed, okay? So we've got r to the 3 plus minus r to the 0 divided by 3. Okay, does that make sense?
Does that give us the velocity?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you divide it by 2 again?
So let's write VAV. So that subscript stands for average, in case you didn't know that.
Why don't you just use a delta?
That's change.
Different.
Yeah.
So we've got 12i plus 6j minus 24k minus, what's r0? Negative 3j divided by 3.
So it's no, it's maybe
La, 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 la.
like
I'll let you guys change in displacement. I'll do the change in velocity divided by 2, see if it gets the same answer.
Right, yes, no, it would be just right south.
No, right. Not again.
Superpower, mine would be better than
My superpower would
that.
be to be Joseph.
Yep.
That's a whole other phone call.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, but I didn't.
I'm doing the final plus the initial velocity divided by 2 to find the average. So there's 2 different ways to do the same thing, hopefully. So 4i plus 4i is 8i, divided by 2 is 4i. 6j plus 0j divided by 2 is 3j. Negative 8k plus negative 8k divided by 2 is negative 8k. Yep, and then you divide it by 2.
Oh,
Rough night. Why would I square up?
Okay, we're all good. We all copy. Anybody?
6t minus cos pi.
Thank you guys. What did you say?
Minus cos pi.
He's always the pro, come on.
Yeah.
Velocity object at t equals 2.
Substitute T equals 2, sir.
Don't forget the notation. V when t equals 2. Anybody remember what
Big man
cos?
in a suit of armor. I mean, I don't mind that.
No.
Still scratching my beard. With your back.
Isn't
Stereo.
All right. Again, we're just using the magnitude. Totally proud.
Senpai ignored you.
First, we need to do the initial, which is then t equals 0. So once the velocity average.
So it was your first step to find the initial velocity.
So we've got the final velocity plus the initial velocity divided by 2.
What's the initial minus 1?
That's the initial. Ah, that should be a j at the end. So we're left with an average velocity of approximately 2.8.
What does it say?
10?